I just ordered the Kayali Sweet Obsessions little kit for like 100-something bucks. So I will give you guys a little review later. I also bought just a sample of the Ave Maria. It kind of smells like a makeup counter. I wouldn't suggest it. This is what I'm using. I'm using gilding wax in the color Zinc. So the texture of Limewash is a little unpredictable, but it's kind of like a watery clay. You forgot to charge me for the box that was inside. Oh well. Hey guys, I'm trying to pack in all these little home updates, projects, and shopping before my life completely changes tomorrow and I start school again. It's cute. It has some stains on it. I'm really feeling this whole little ottoman with the lining. I think it is so chic. They've got some cute stuff right now. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna slowly look at this. If you have more of like a traditional room, I really don't need any more furniture, but I'm feeling all these cute ottomans. Look at this for the bathroom. Like if I had that in the bathroom to sit on, be cute. I'm a little bit over all the boucle. I have a boucle chair, but that is cute, chic. How much is it? I like how it has like the channeling. I don't see the price. It's probably about 60, 70 bucks. Look at that. So Kirkland's is closing, so I'm not noticing the best deals. Like this is $8. All the ornaments are about 8 bucks. Whole Christmassy thing. And these are cute if you want to have like a cozy tree. Because I am a sucker for vases, and I picked up this piece. What do you guys think? HomeGoods, I went there with one purpose. I was like, I'm gonna get some sheets. So I got these Laura Ashley sheets in this little ticking stripe. $50, which was kind of a splurge for me, but you know, the cheap sheets never work out. So I got some sheets. This is my other splurge, and this was $24. I just thought, like, it's wood, it's got the black inlay, so chic. This is like the perfect little catch-all. Now they have, oh shoot! I didn't even realize it was a nesting box. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. You know what? This was part of a set of 3. Okay, because there was another box that this went inside that they owe me. Or actually, no, because each of these has a price tag. This was an accident, guys. They forgot to give me the box that was on. They forgot to charge me for the box that was inside. Oh well. So yeah, I love this. So that's really all I got. So I think it looks pretty. It's got that chocolate brown. I did think it was a little more of an oxblood color, but it's still good. I don't want to go do such an oxblood deep dive because sometimes I can get a little bit crazy. And then I just put this other nesting box right here. It looks gorgeous, but I'm going to show you upstairs, and what we're going to do is we are going to do Limewash on the ceiling of my DIY bathroom renovation. Let me show you. So there's a couple different options. I was going to do a color by Sherwin-Williams called Limewash on the ceiling, or I was going to do Vasari Limewash, which is actual Limewash. But I think I'm going to do the actual Limewash because there's some like uneven texture, and the one good thing about Limewash, it really smooths everything out. So I'm just gonna get going. So the texture of Limewash is a little unpredictable, but it's kind of like a watery clay. Okay guys, this is not your 90s sponge painting. This is something so different and so unique and so timeless. It's Limewash, so trust the process. I'm gonna keep going. So I finished the Limewash on the ceiling. I love it, but I had to take a pause because it wasn't covering up this ugly part well enough. And then my husband said, we don't need a fan here, so I'm gonna replace it with a pendant. You guys have to help me pick a pendant. I really like Our House, but their prices are so high. What I like to do is take screenshots from Our House and then pop them into like Amazon or like even Alibaba and especially AliExpress. And you can find, you know, dupes and stuff like that. But I'm kind of in a hurry, and AliExpress takes a minute. So I'm just going to shop around for a cute bathroom pendant. And it's so wasteful. I know boob lights are passe,
But I was thinking, what if I just did the lime wash around the brown part? Nah, I should still replace it. But it's like, is this like, no, it's just glass. At first I was like, oh, it's alabaster, I'll keep it. But it's just glass. So yeah, there's a lot of scraping and stuff I need to do. It's such a bear. I'm just gonna get going. And when I come back, next video, we will install the bidet, the shower door, and the lighting. But let me move this. I want to kind of add some, like, more intonation. You see how right here there's like a little streak? So I just want to add a little bit to give it like that 90s Tuscan glazed cabinet kitchen feel, which I actually kind of like. So it looks like this. And I have an old sock. And I just want to sparingly add a touch of this. Now this stuff is like, let me see. It's so strong. Yeah, it's like super strong. Watch, I'm getting closer. Okay, see it? I'm just gonna add a little bit right there. Ooh, give it just a little coolness. This is what I'm using. I'm using gilding wax in the color Zinc. Okay, I don't know if you can tell, but I just gave the cabinets a little bit more wabi-sabi, a little less of the flat French oak color, and just a little more aging, a little less uniform, because when you go to like Floor & Decor or any of the big box stores, everything is French white oak. And I'm getting actually sick of it, to tell you the truth. But I just think adding just a little bit of this zinc wax gave it a little more wabi-sabi, which is kind of like what I'm going for. I definitely like the juxtaposition of wabi-sabi mixed with quiet luxury with touches of glam here and there. Yeah, I guess that's my style. And mixing metals is a must. As you can see, we have the chrome along with the gold, and it looks really good.